Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video. Today is Monday, March 23rd. So basically we have a lot of volatility here in the market. A lot of it is driven by news regarding Iran. The president said that he would hold off on any attacks on Iranian infrastructure for 5 days. The market gapped up. We get word that there's actually no discussions in being had between the U.S. and Iran, and the president said there would be, and the market fell. And then we're getting a subsequent bounce again here at lunchtime. So this market has come up and hit the 200-day simple moving average, potentially a reversal pattern. But again, the danger with this market is not that it's moving. It's just, it doesn't know why it's moving. It's having knee-jerk reactions to any little bit of news that can be correct or truthful, and then sometimes find out that no, it's not correct. It's not really going on. So you need to keep your trades very short and trade the move that's happening in front of you. But you can't easily swing trade this, because you can see on the hourly chart, you have two bullish bars, two bearish bars, two bullish bars, okay? And you don't know when the next bit of news will hit. So if you are playing directional moves like this, down, taking your profit, playing the directional move back up, looking to take your profit when this bullish move ends, that's fine. Time frame is very important in this market. If your time frame is too big, you don't know what to do. If your time frame is small enough, you can capture these directional moves and make some money while the market is trying to figure out what its next true move will be. Okay? Thank you.